Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the CMF watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see your CMF Watch Pro. Now scroll down through this page and find the button called Unbind Device. Tap on it and tap on Yes to confirm. You will see the message Unpairing successful, and the watch will disappear from the device page. You can close the app, and just in case, we can check the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So let's open the quick panel, press and hold on Bluetooth icon, and here you see the list of previously connected devices. If you see the CMF watch Buy Nothing here, it shouldn't be here by default, but if you see it here for some reason, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, and then tap on Forget to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.